Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Finance Ministry looks to relax divestment rules. Tata Motors earnings overtake expectations. And food inflation picks up speed once again. Investment banks could find it easier to bag contracts for handling PSU divestments. That's because the Finance Ministry is looking to relax the rules on conflicts of interest for merchant banks. Mint has learnt that government officials and investment bankers have met several times on the issue. Some of the bankers want more clarity on the rules. Others are asking for an enabling clause on disclosing the issues they've worked on before. At present, norms on conflict of interest disqualify merchant bankers if they've done work for private companies in the same sector. Moving on to some results, Tata Motors has recorded a whopping 361% increase in its net profits for the year ended March 2011. The automobile giant beat forecasts to post a consolidated net profit of 9,274 crore rupees during the last fiscal. Consolidated revenue rose by a third to 1.22 trillion rupees. Tata Motors numbers were powered by its UK-based subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover. JLR launched new models during the year and saw a revival in its key European and North American markets. Staying with earnings, Tech Mahindra's fell below most estimates. Profits were down by 59% in the fourth quarter to 92 crores. Revenue, on the other hand, went up to 1,261 crores, an increase of 6.6% compared to the same period last year. Tech Mahindra's profits were down mainly due to losses related to Mahindra Satyam, which was hurt by a one-time expense to settle a US lawsuit. Although the results were announced post the market hours, Tech Mahindra's shares fell by 0.4% in anticipation of the drop in profits. In other news, food inflation is back. Production and labour costs are rising across India, driving up prices of agricultural produce. New figures show prices of food items rose at their fastest pace in 4 weeks in early May. The food price index rose 8.55% in the period to the 14th. The previous week it climbed 7.47. On to markets, which bounced back sharply by over 1% on Thursday. The Sensex was up 197 points to close above the 18,000 mark, while Nifty ended at 5,412, also up by 1.2%. The rally was led by oil and gas, metals, auto companies and realty. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.